Hi everyone, welcome to the Lashes online channel. My name is Victoria. In this episode 1 I'm doing color eyelash extensions, combining blue and dark brown lashes. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, it will help promote my videos. Let's get to the review of the eye before extensions. The girl had previously had her eyelashes done with me. Last time we did her extensions with only one color, dark brown lashes. We decided to experiment and add lashes of blue color. This time I decided to add colored lashes along the lowest row. Look, where is the lowest row of eyelashes? I have highlighted for you these eyelashes in red color to be more clear where I'll extend them. Colored lashes will be more noticeable to others with this version. Dark brown eyelashes I will be extending on the middle and upper rows. Eyelash extensions I will perform in the curled C, lengths from 5 to 9, thickness 0.1. As usual, I start the extension with the eyelash prepping. I do not remove the process of washing off the makeup from the eyes, as I usually ask my clients to wash on their own. As it seems to me, when clients wash off the mascara on their own, it turns out better to wash the eyelids and eyelashes. I know that some masters prefer to wash off the cosmetics themselves. I advise in this case always check the eyes well for the presence of remaining mascara or eye pencil. Eyelashes should be as clean as possible. This is the key to the long wear of eyelashes. I also recommend that you only wash off your makeup with a wash foam. Before buying a foam, look at the content. It should be free of oils. As of today, there are already many special foams for eyelash extensions. They differ in that they have pH 6, 5-7, 5. Such pH improves the work of the glue and eyelashes will hold better. Let's talk about options for color extensions. I usually add colored eyelashes on the upper rows. In this variant they are visible when the girl covers her eyes. Now I do the extension where the eyelashes are more visible on the open eye, and they are more visible to others. I will glue double fans of blue eyelashes on the bottom row, and on the other eyelashes I will glue one artificial eyelash of dark brown color on each native eyelash. Blue eyelashes are made double fans, as they look very light, so to see them had to make fans 2D. There is another popular way to add colored eyelashes, only on the outer part of the eye on the middle and upper rows about 1 cm wide. In this option colored eyelashes are almost not noticeable, but give a small shade to the build-up. There are also more complex variants of colored extensions, where very bright and multicolored eyelashes are used for the whole eye. Write in the comments, would you be interested in watching a video about complex colored eyelash extensions? If there will be a lot of people interested in such a video, I will definitely make a video for you. And as usual at the end of the extension I do a check for glued lashes, and if I find something, I separate the glued lashes. I decided to show you the gap that should be in eyelash extensions. I recommend to make it of 0.5-1 mm. With this gap the client will be most comfortable to wear false eyelashes. It is also very important to make a gap evenly throughout the eye that the artificial eyelashes do not sag anywhere and do not cause discomfort to the client. In order to check the uniformity of the gap, you need to lift the eyelid and check all parts of the eye, as I do now in the video. Let's look at the result. Write in the comments, how do you like the work in such a color extension version? Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and put a like to this video. I hope it was useful to you. See you soon.